Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to enhance your Android experience and navigate your device with ease, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best Edge gesture apps that let you perform quick actions using simple swipes and taps along your screen's edges. These apps can dramatically improve your productivity by making your device more accessible. Let's get started and find out which app might be perfect for you. Edge Gestures app. Edge Gestures app is a highly customizable tool that enhances your Android experience by allowing users to perform various actions with simple swipes and taps along the edges of the screen. With its intuitive interface, users can create personalized gestures for quick access to apps, settings, notifications, and other functions. The app supports multi-directional gestures from both the left and right edges, making navigation more efficient. Users can configure the gestures to launch specific applications, control media playback, or even take screenshots. Overall, Edge Gestures app is an excellent choice for those looking to streamline their device's functionality and improve their workflow. Edge Gestures VE Control. Edge Gestures VE Control provides a comprehensive suite of features that enable users to control their devices using Edge gestures. This app allows you to define swipes and taps from the edges of the screen to trigger actions such as launching apps, adjusting volume, or activating the camera. The app's customizable options let users choose from a variety of gestures and assign specific tasks, providing a personalized experience. Additionally, Edge Gestures VE Control supports advanced features like gesture shortcuts for system settings and quick access to notifications. This makes it an essential tool for enhancing usability and improving multitasking on your Android device. Edgify Edge Gesture VE Control. Edgify is another impressive Edge gesture app that focuses on providing a convenient way to navigate and control your device. It allows users to set up customizable gestures along the edges of the screen, which can trigger various actions, including launching apps, opening menus, or switching between tasks. With its sleek design, Edgify offers an intuitive interface that makes it easy to set up and customize gestures according to individual preferences. The app also ensures performance efficiency by running in the background and minimizing battery consumption. For users looking to maximize their device's potential and improve accessibility, Edgify is a fantastic option. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best Edge gesture apps helps you discover new ways to streamline your Android usage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.